Look! Look! Yes!
What do you see?
Look! I see a puppet.
I see a polar bear.
I like Graham.
Yeah, Graham's favorite.
Is that big polar bear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again?
You?
Try your paw. Does your paw fit?
No.
Try it again.
Now you do it. No, you.
Now you try your paw. Oh, good fit.
No.
What is it, Chase?
Rabbit!
There's a camel at Graham and Gramps Zoo?
And Wayne, rabbit.
Did you know there was camels here?
Grand, can one.
Yeah.